Ever wonder if there's a secret language between kids and animals? Well, watching Leo, you'd be convinced there is. Whether it's the gentle giant of a farm dog who follows his every step, or the curious chickens that flock around his feet, Leo seems to be a magnet for all creatures great and small. It's not just about a quick pat on the head, it's a genuine connection. He'll spend hours just sitting with the barn cat, sharing a quiet moment, or whispering secrets to the horses over the fence. There's a kindness in his touch and a warmth in his voice that they just understand. It's a beautiful reminder that friendship knows no species.